In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a closing date password in QuickBooks. If you want to protect your books after a certain date and help prevent accidental changes to past transactions, setting a closing date password is a smart step. This feature is especially useful when you've finished reconciling your accounts or wrapped up a reporting period and want an extra layer of control in place. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening QuickBooks and signing into your company file. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right area of the screen and click the settings icon, shown as a gear. This is where you'll find many of the administrative options for your account. From the settings menu, select Account and Settings. This will open a new page where you can manage different parts of your QuickBooks company preferences. On the left-hand side, click the Advanced tab. The Advanced section includes important controls related to accounting, automation, and other company-level settings. Next, scroll down until you find the Accounting section. Once you're there, click the Edit icon, which looks like a pencil. This allows you to make changes to the accounting preferences currently in place. Now turn on the option labeled Close the Books. Enabling this setting tells QuickBooks that you want to lock down transactions dated on or before a specific date. After that, enter your desired closing date. Be careful when choosing this date, since it determines which past entries will be protected from easy edits. Below that, select the option that allows changes only after viewing a warning and entering a password. This is the key setting that adds protection. It means users will be warned before making changes to closed periods, and they'll need the password to continue. Enter your preferred closing date password in the field provided. Choose something secure but memorable, since this password will be needed anytime someone tries to modify transactions in the closed period. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply your changes. Then click Done to exit the settings window. And that's it. Your closing date password is now set in QuickBooks, helping you maintain the accuracy and integrity of your financial records. If you ever need to update the closing date later, you can return to the same section and adjust it as needed. Thanks for watching.